In this video, it's all about flexibility and mobility. And for this class, you will need a yoga block, a small resistance band, and a long resistance band, and then a chair or something of that nature. So let's get started with our first move, single leg squat. But taking your right leg, place it out in front of you so the heel is down on the floor and your toes are coming up towards your face. Then hinge forward slightly at your hips and allow your left leg to come down into a squat, pressing down into your right heel. And remember, in the squat, don't allow your back to round up. Don't let it over unarch. Keep your ribs lined up with your hip bones. Keep holding. Keep holding. Pull those toes up towards your face just a little bit more. And release. And switch sides. So now standing on your right foot, left foot comes out in front of you, keeping that left leg straight. Bend your knee into that small little squat. And when you do this, try to keep your knee pointing straight ahead. Don't let it go outward or inward. Keep it lined up with your second and third toe. Pull your left toes up towards your face. Hold here. Keep breathing. And then release. And grab your long resistance band for some arm work. So with this exercise, taking the bands in between your hands with your thumbs facing each other and your arms out straight. Now pull the strap until it's as far back as you can without lifting your rib cage. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're gonna do 20 of these, 6, try to keep them even, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, I know you have it in you, 16, 17, 18, 19, last one, you've got it, 20. Very good. Place this to the side and now grab your yoga block for some sumo squats with a twist. So placing your block in front of your left foot, come to a wide-legged stance with your feet pointed out 45 degrees. Now bending forward just slightly at the hips, allow your knees to come out wide. Rest your left arm just above your left knee and then twist down to reach the block with your right hand and then twist upward towards the sky with your right hand. Lower down into the squat a little deeper here and then push up. And we're gonna do it 3 times on each side. So let's start now. Come down into the lunge, into the squat, touch the block with your right hand. Exhale, twist from your torso, reach up to the sky. For 1, twist, 2, stay low, twist, and 3. Hold here, lower a little deeper, 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 and push back up to stand and switch sides. If you feel like you want more of a twist, place the block on its smaller side so it's shorter to the floor, or take the block all together. Again, lower down into the squat and rest your right arm on your right hand or on your right knee. You're not putting a lot of weight there. Twist and reach down for 1, 2, and lower down a little deeper, and 3. Hold here, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, and lift up. That'll get the hips moving. Come down to your hands and knees now with your yoga block. On your hands and knees, place the yoga block in your right hip area. And then as you lift your right knee off the floor, squeeze it up to your chest, but don't let yourself shift. So you're working your core, working your hip flexors for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. When you do this, we're going to do it again 2 more times on this side. When you do this, don't let your pelvis arch and round, and don't let yourself shift. So, taking the block, place it in that right hip again, and keeping that pelvis nice and neutral, so it's not tucking under. And squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. And then we'll do it one more time on this side before we switch. Take a breather if you need to. Place it in that right side. And squeeze, squeeze, squeeze as hard as you can, keeping that pelvis neutral, activating your core to stay stable. Keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1. Half, and release. And switch sides. We'll just go right into it, no break. So go ahead, squeeze that left side. And you notice my hips are not coming up, they're staying level. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Keep going. This gets easier as you do it more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. I can feel you guys cussing me. And go again. Squeeze it again. Ready and go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. One more time. If you need to, take a break on your wrists in between each set. Here in a minute, we'll get back to stretching. So now, one more time, squeeze it. We do these exercises to also strengthen when we lengthen. Flexibility is also often about just stretching, but there's a strength that comes with it. For 3, 2, 1, release. Place your block to the side. Exhale, shift into plank, and then down dog. And as you do this, walk your hands all the way up to your feet and hang over your legs for some elephant walks. So I'm going to come back to the middle of my mat here so that you can see me easier. So having your hands, palms on the floor, bend your knees as much as you need to do that. And if you need a chair or something that's taller up to reach, that's okay. Start where you're at. Now, straighten your right leg, bend your left leg, and hold here for as long as you can. Try to relax your neck and shoulders. And then switch to the left side. So left leg comes straight, right leg bends. Feel that stretch in your left leg. And switch. Right leg is straight. Keep your palms down. Feel the stretch. Keep breathing. And switch to the left side. One more time. Switch to the right side. Keep it straight. And then switch. Last time to the left. And then release and come up to stand for just a moment and grab your chair. So with your chair or other object, it doesn't have to be a chair, come down to your knees and your elbows will be shoulder width apart on the chair. So place them towards the edge of the chair. Interlace your hands behind your back and then allow your chest to fall to the floor here, keeping your neck long and push gently into your elbows. But don't let your pelvis drop. Keep that lifted. So keep your pelvis neutral, pressing into your elbows. Breathe deeply here. Feel the stretch in your shoulders and in your chest. And now release. Place the chair back to the side and come to a wall, or you can even do this at the side of your horse trailer. So standing about 6 inches away from the wall, doesn't matter what side you start on. Starting on my left, take your arm so that your thumb is pointing forward, your palm faces your body, and you're gonna run it up along the wall until you get to the top. When you get to the top, don't allow your rib cage to lift up. So keep your ribs down and then flip your hand over so that the thumb is still facing forward and continue around the circle. Now, ideally, you should be able to do that with a very minimal movement from your upper body. So let's try it again. Left arm, thumb is forward, ribs stay down. Come up to the top. Feel the stretch in that shoulder. Turn your hand over so the palm is now on the wall and continue backward. Arm is still straight. Good. And last time. Thumb forward. Come up. Rotate your hand and windmill it backward. Great job. Switch sides. So 6 inches away from the wall, everything facing forward, right arm comes up, turn it over at the top so your thumb is always facing forward. And if you need to have that reminder, place your hands on your ribs. I know mine instantly want to lift. Cheat the system. Go again. Up. Turn the hand over. Relax the shoulder. And rotate backwards. And again. So lift it up. And keep those ribs down and rotate backward. Good. Now come to the center of your mat, raising your right arm up to the sky. Exhale, feel your lower abdominals coming in and up, and do a gentle side bend to the left and feel the stretch in your left side. If you'd like, you can put that leg, your right leg, out to the side for a little bit more of a stretch. Hold here. Breathe deeply into these side ribs here. Good. And release. And let's do the other side. So again, breathe into your rib cage. Exhale. Think about your lower abdominals coming in and up. Raising your left arm up into the sky. And you can choose to either place your left leg out to the side for a little bit more of a stretch, or you can just keep your legs there. It's up to you. Breathe into your side ribs here. Feel all those muscles in between your rib cage, relaxing and stretching. Good. And release, grabbing your small resistance band. Place it onto your calves or your ankles. And actually, we're going to change it here in just a minute. But take the band and place it around your left thigh and your right foot. Okay, so it's like this, kind of awkward. Come to your hands and knees. Your knees are directly underneath your hips, hands directly under your shoulders, and as usual, ribs are lifted, not collapsing down to the floor. And then exhale, lift the right foot up into 90 degrees, keeping that spine nice and straight for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one, hold here, and 10. Great job. Switch the band over to your right knee and your left foot. If you need to adjust the band like I do, go ahead and adjust it so it doesn't hit you in the face. And then lifting, and it's okay if the right one comes up on the thigh a little more. Lift your right leg up for 1, or your left leg, sorry, 2, 3, don't shift to the side, 4, my band is not working, 5, 6, there we go, 7, 8, keep your spine nice and long, 9, and 10. Hold here. Come back just a little bit if you've lost your square like I have. Hold here and release. Great job. So last move is just some spinal twist while lying. So come down to the floor, lie on your back, and allow your hips to, or allow your knees to drop to the left, but your hips stay twisted to the right. When your knees touch the ground, go ahead, roll a little bit more to the left, not all the way. Place your left arm out straight to the side of you at shoulder height. Reach your right arm up towards the sky. And then from your chest, twist down to the floor to the right. So your right arm falls towards the floor, but you're moving your chest. Your arm's not just falling. And allow your face to look at your right hand here. And just be heavy to the floor. Breathe deeply into your rib cage. And go to your happy place. Maybe it's a mountain, a cabin, a favorite trail. Maybe there's a field or a river you like to go to. And just allow your body to relax. Now moving it back center. Can leave your right arm out straight. Drop your knees to the right, but allow your hips to still be slightly twisted to the left. And then roll slightly more to your right side. Reach your left arm up towards the sky. And as you inhale, allow your chest to twist open as your arm gets closer to the floor. And if your chest doesn't open all the way to the floor, that's okay. Just allow your arm to fall to the floor gently. And breathe deeply. What does that peaceful place look like? What colors do you see? What does the air feel like or smell like? Are there flowers? Or maybe there's water. Feel what those objects feel like. And allow yourself to sink more heavily towards the floor. And as you do, unfurl the twist until you're back on your back. And just get comfortable on the floor and continue your meditation for a few moments. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.